Tired of manually creating the same tasks in Asana day after day? Let's fix that. First, navigate to the project where you want to create the recurring task and click the plus Add Task button to create a new task. Now, in the task details, click on the due date field. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a repeat option. Click that, and then choose your desired frequency: daily, weekly, or monthly. Let's start with daily. The task will repeat every day. Choosing weekly, Asana lets you pick specific days of the week. Select all the days you want the task to reappear on. Monthly recurrences offer even more control. You can have the task repeat on a specific date or on, for example, the second Friday of the month. For maximum flexibility, select Custom here. You can set a task to repeat after a certain number of days or weeks, giving you full control. Don't forget to assign the task to a team member and ensure it's linked to the correct project. This keeps everyone on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully created a recurring task in Asana. By using this feature, you'll save time, reduce errors, and keep your projects running smoothly. See you in the next video.